Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the visual editor in Emergent AI. First, log into Emergent AI and enter a prompt like create a landing page. Then, let the AI generate your app or website based on your request. Next, click on Edit or Visual Editor. Your project will open in a drag and drop interface where you can easily make changes without coding. After that, click on any element like text, button, or image. From here, you can customize the text content, change colors and fonts, adjust spacing and layout, and also drag elements to rearrange different sections. Now, check your changes instantly in preview mode. Test buttons, forms, and the overall layout and keep adjusting until everything looks the way you want. You can also use prompts like add login page or create contact form, and the AI will automatically update your app with those features. Finally, click Save, then hit Publish or Deploy. Your project will go live and be ready to use. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.